Welcome to my channel, Learn to Earn. We are here to help you with interview tips and job information on daily basis. Today's topic, SQL interview, question and answer. What is a recursive CTE in SQL? A recursive common table expression, CTE in SQL, is a CTE that references itself, allowing iterative processing of hierarchical or recursive data structures. It's often used for tasks like hierarchical querying or recursive calculations. How do you rename a column in SQL? You can rename a column in SQL using the alter table statement with the rename column clause specifying the old and new column names. For example, alter table name, rename column, old.column, name to new column, name. What is the purpose of the SQL union operator? The union operator in SQL is used to combine the result sets of two or more select statements into a single result set, removing duplicate rows by default. It's useful for consolidating data from different tables or queries. How do you calculate the median in SQL? The median value in SQL can be calculated using window functions like row number and percentile count, or by ordering the data and selecting the middle values for odd or even row counts. What is a SQL injection attack? SQL injection is a security vulnerability that occurs when an attacker inserts malicious SQL code into input fields or parameters of a web application, allowing them to execute unauthorized SQL queries or commands against the database. It can lead to data theft, manipulation, or unauthorized access. How do you calculate the standard deviation in SQL? The standard deviation in SQL can be calculated using statistical functions like stddev or by implementing the formula for standard deviation using aggregate functions like avg and count. What is a pivot table in SQL? A pivot table in SQL is a data summarization tool that rotates rows into columns, typically for the purpose of data analysis or reporting. It allows you to transform row-level data into a more structured format for better visualization and analysis. How do you implement paging in SQL? Pagination in SQL can be implemented using the offset fetch clause for databases that support it, or by using window functions like row number combined with filtering to retrieve specific page ranges of data. What is the purpose of the SQL any and all operators? The any and all operators in SQL are used to compare a value with a set of values returned by a subquery. Any returns true if the comparison is true for at least one value in the set, while all returns true if the comparison is true for all values in the set. How do you calculate the mode in SQL? The mode value in SQL can be calculated using aggregate functions like count and group by to find the values with the highest frequency in a dataset. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope it helps. We will always remember your support towards the channel's growth. Please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to join our community for more exciting content ahead. Until next time, stay tuned and stay awesome.